Hi guys, my name is Elsie, and today I'm going to be showing you something very special. It's not that special, but it's homemade and it has my name on it. Okay. It's not much, but I'm honestly really proud of this. Okay, so I'm in my room, of course, and I have it right here. It's hard to see, but it says my name, and it says Elsie, which that's my name, Elsie, and on the back it just has a normal heart right there. And sorry if it's hard to see on the camera, but I'm gonna try and show it to you guys as much as I can. I swear that says Elsie. I will be doing a couple of videos of just me squishing this. I know, it's boring, but I will start, making the videos a bit funner, and I'll do, fun things. And I'll try and, ow, that hurt. But I'll, try and find some other things to make more DIY squishies, homemade squishies. Is there actually anything in here to make homemade squishies? I mean, there's this, but this goes to sunglasses. I actually have the sunglasses here. Okay. Okay. I was just looking through my drawer to see if I could find anything to make a DIY squishy, but there isn't really anything in there. So I will look more in my room to see if I can find anything fun for me to do on my YouTube channel. And I'm so sorry that I have not been posting that much because I haven't been getting any ideas. So yeah. Bye guys. Wait, before I end this video, I just want to say, please like and subscribe to join the Flower Squad. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.